Gunpla TV here. We're back with another unboxing video. Let's do this. Alright, so these came in the mail. So using my handy dandy styling knife, I will start to unbox. Let's make an incision here. Here on the sides. Here on the other side. That's good. And then here, top side incision, like so. Next, go around the other side. Here, obviously we've already taken off the bubble wrap. No sense in wasting your time with bubble wrap. Alright, so let's see what's inside. We'll flip the top and well, actually we did it the other way around, but yeah, there you have it. This is the Mobile Suit Gundam Wing Zero Endless Waltz Verka. Nice. Alright, HLJ, it looks like it's sealed, so let's make incisions here, 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 and then here, and then let's see what's in the box. First of all, anybody knows me that I conduct the smell test. The smell test ensures that everybody is safe. So let's do this. Pop the box. There it is. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And boom. Smell test. Okay. Okay, that smells fresh. Doesn't smell like hands. Very good. Doesn't smell of COVID, so it actually passed the test. So you got runners for the wing, runners for the shield, and the weapon. Beam saber. These are hand parts and feet armor. We also have what is this? Wing parts, more wings, inner frame for the shoulders, more parts for the hands, and feathers for the wings. We have the action base that comes with it, the water slides. That's a nice looking action base. Bandai, of course, always only by Bandai. Alright, more parts here, and the rest are the inner frame. And finally, we get the nice manual, which showcases the Wing Gundam Zero Verka, the guide for you to check the parts, how to cut it, action base, here how to actually assemble and cut the parts, how to put them together, and then towards the middle you'll see some lore and some nice box art. Yeah, so here's a pro tip. Whenever you're trying to assemble these Bandai model kits, they're usually in Japanese. Some are like in English now, but you can use Google Lens to actually translate some of these parts. But yeah, it's a newer kit. So this is your color guide, and these are your decal guide. There you go. There you have it. Wing Zero Verka. That's it for my unboxing video. Stay classy.